Kasee na oguso shade yeto so dia konsem foforo mu na yase Ghana yegu hihye so se obi edi bone emu odu pa na wie ye kra no ye kunu bie no ye ba be ye no ede afri ho na mum sa ni kro no ye de na to afiase ne nkwa na nyina eye kasa ekoso a Attorney General Minister of Justice wajino my Ghana animo na 42nd session eye United Nations Universal Periodic Review a ekoso Geneva no ode atudwa eni pepi ena esre omanyate muafo se anko onsho omanyama mmere mu sebeya obetimi asakra mu kakra na kumfa wobua enipa no obetwam nanka amanipa no akoda afiase afebo Licenti Attorney General no oswafo a wo hye atemu so Godfrey Dame echiremu a empanifo de hihye egu akwamu a wo hye se kumfa wobua enipa no wode afiase afebo enna ebesi anan Odi sanse mu etu jo abro kopie mu ewo United Nations Universal Periodic Review in Geneva. Enhie mu etoso aduanan emienu.
The Constitution, the Criminal Offences Act 1960 at 29, and the Armed Forces Act 1962 at 105 impose the death penalty as punishment upon conviction for certain offences. In 2022, a member of Parliament introduced the Armed Amendment Bill 2022 and the Criminal Offences Amendment Bill to Parliament. The bill seeks to amend Act 29 and Act 105 to substitute the death penalty with a penalty of life imprisonment. The bills were laid before Parliament on 25th July 2022 and has been referred to the Parliamentary Committee on Constitutional, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs for consideration.
And wachi and a project officer ya wada POS Foundation ano Ora Magdodu editu jase se dwumadie wo ye eboa ema ensemtwerefo ewunu kwan yo befa so etu omanfofo afo ondwumadie eho enkyeremu sei en wode etu dwa
making sure say yeah death penalty no ombe abolish that is ombe yi every Ghana constitution ni mu yeah bompa ye say based on some interactions na akoso between Ghana as a state and other recommendation state no the recommendations are omode ama Ghana no yen civil society and the government as well as development partners no better together now my I'm making sure say these recommendations that Ghana are receiving no yeah implementing some recommendations no because so previous review cycles now akoso no that is the first, second, third year fourth one no some of these recommendations no so still like ejuma wo ho aban e was aban etu ho anamo making sure say recommendations no o implemented wo Ghana because o man hwe so anye ne year. What is likely to happen is that during the next review in the next 5 years, no recommendations that most of these recommended states na aye ama abai no. Ebe likely say ebe san repeating no.